What up, YouTube? I'm going to show you guys how to change this fuel pump on this PC800. A lot of these Hondas have this same kind of fuel pump, so it ain't that hard. I'll show you. Here's the new pump. Right here, you see it says in. So we're going to go from the tank, and then this one goes to the car. This one goes to the tank, and then this one goes to the carburetor. Really just plug and play. First step, this thing's in here like this, right? You just gotta pull this out. There's the plug. Unhook the power plug right there. Now, so we don't get gas everywhere. A lot of wind, hold on. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna do is the in, which is this one from the tank. Tank in, carb out. See how much fuel pops out of this thing. Not too bad. Just feed this line down on it. We're never gonna leak. Now we'll do to the carb. There we go. That on there. Grab a pair of pliers. Let's tighten these clamps down. Okay. If you look on this one, it has this spacer. But this one right here had the fatter lines on it. Then take our plug, plug it in, stick it back in here, let's see if it turns on. In. Hear that noise? It's pumping that fuel, trying to get that fuel up there, but it's working. One more. And there it goes. That's how you change your fuel pump. Pumping away. Stick with us, YouTube. I'll show you how to do it. Perfect.